Hey guys, this is Nina Perez and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time. It is 70 degrees it says, but it feels a little, 69. It feels a little more chilly because there's a nice breeze going on, so it'll help us when we're sweating our asses off in a little bit.
This it will.
I am Nina Perez, your host here. You are here on my journey going from P.H.A.T to physically healthy and terrific in real time. This is P.J, your fitness concierge. He is like the fitness guru of all things fitness. He is here to destroy us and also rebuild us back up. At least that's how I feel. I feel like you're knocking us down and then building us back up.
That's right. Today's going to be no different.
Well, we are in episode 59. 59. Did you really think you were going to be here this long?
No, I did. I'm going to be here much longer, you know.
I asked him as a friend, can you work me out? I really want to lose weight. It's going to take about a year journey. He goes, it's going to probably take longer than
That's right. That's right.
Right.
And it's slow, steady progress. There's no magic bullet. You can't cheat it. You can't give up on it. You'll have great days. You'll have bad days. And you just take the information, and you just get right back up. Stand up. You eat something that you weren't supposed to. Okay. No harm, no foul. You know, recognize it, write it down.
Yeah.
Talk about it with somebody, and then let's get right back at it.
Yeah, it's funny that you mentioned that too, PJ, because I think that, and I don't know if you know this already about fat girls, but it is something about us that triggers. Like if we do something, like we eat something bad today, it's almost very difficult to get back on the horse. Like you feel like it then becomes another day and another day, and before you know it, it's been months.
Everybody goes through that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
okay,
absolutely.
Okay.
As a trainer, I go through that sometimes. Like, yeah, I want to work out. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, I'm going to go do something else that has some sugary something in it.
Right. And does it last long? Well, this is your life, so probably not. But does it last long for you at all?
No, it could last a day. I could go through a day and start well and then just have poor eating choices throughout. But I never veer too far from it, and then I get it out of my system, and then I come right back to it.
Today was a bad eating day for me because I went upstairs thinking I was going to have a healthy lunch, and instead there was nothing for me. Everything had gluten and dairy and stuff, so I literally spent the whole day without eating.
Ooh,
yeah.
Not good. Yeah.
Not good. I had a shake this morning and a piece of toast like about an hour ago because I had no time to do anything. I ran home, toasted the toast while I did the dogs, blah blah blah. You know, life.
Right.
You
Absolutely.
know?
And that's just under eating. Is just as poor
bad,
as overeating or eating the wrong things. You don't want to starve your body, so your body's like, okay, we're not getting anything, we're gonna hold on to everything until you eat something.
You know, I was so irritated because I went upstairs and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have nice chicken and the salad. And
you're a chef. She's a chef, right?
Yeah, I am.
You have a kitchen at home, right?
I absolutely. Well, at home?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I just didn't have time.
You have food at home, right?
What are you saying? I don't
You could
understand what
prepare
you're saying.
something and just have it in a container.
I know,
right?
but I really did think I was gonna have lunch at work today. We always have lunch at work.
I hear you.
And then when I went upstairs, everything was laden with gluten and dairy, and I'm like, oh, come
Saboteurs.
on. Yeah. And I had to go back downstairs and just drink water, and you know, I was like, that's what I get though, because I could have easily. I have hummus at home. I could have bought some hummus and carrots and celery sticks and stuff just to have it at work. I just didn't think I needed it. Is that not good?
No, it is.
Oh, okay. I'm like, see, I don't know what to do anymore. Anyway, guys, don't forget to pick up your journal. You have to start doing your documentation in your journal. Make sure that you put in all your measurements. Learn how to use the book. The book also gives you like things to be grateful for, and also like things, your intentions for the day. Everything that you eat. This is inspired by PJ. Everything that you eat has to be written down. How much water you took, how much exercise, the whole 9 yards. So pick that up on Amazon. Don't forget to pick up all of our merch. I got my merch on, but it is too cold to show you right now. It's not even cold. It's just like this wind that's making it chilly. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and get started so he can make us sweat, and I'll have the sweater off in no time.
That's it. All right, we'll catch you after.
We'll see you soon. much for watching. PJ is like very mellow today. He was very patient with us today,
Chill,
which is
you know?
rare. He was very chill.
Just chill.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit that little bell notification so you don't miss a video. I am coming out with some more really great recipes, and I'm also revamping some recipes because I know the holidays are coming, and I want to make sure that you guys have a healthy alternative so you're not just stuffing your face with a bunch of pumpkin pie and sweet potato casserole and all that stuff.
Nothing wrong with pumpkin pie.
I know that's your favorite. I'm
That's
gonna try to revamp that though. So I am gonna try to revamp that. I'm also gonna do like this sweet, but it's a keto, like goat cheese, cream cheese tart type thing.
Okay.
Do you like goat cheese?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna try to do some other recipes, like some stuffings and stuff like that, that are all paleo, gluten-free, and keto. We'll see how that works. Might be good, might not be good. We will find out. But I will try to get those videos out to you so that you guys are prepared for when the holidays do come. PJ, 59.
59. Saturday's gonna be number 60. Ooh, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. I'm just letting them know.
When he says that, he means it.
You're gonna be like this. Adios, mijo.
I have to go away on Saturday, so hopefully it won't be too bad.
That's right.
But guys, I want to thank you guys so much for growing our community. I noticed that my channel just keeps growing, and I thank you for that. So make sure you share the videos. If you guys want to get in contact with this gentleman right here, this is PJ, your fitness concierge, and his email is pjspj at me.com.
Yep.
So I will link that below so you can make sure you email him if you need him, because I'm telling you, he will give you a great workout. He's a great personal trainer, and he will also help you along your journey as well, like he's helping all of us. And I've seen some really transformations.
Oh, absolutely.
It's crazy to look and go, wow, 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 wow. It's really, really cool. And even the young ones, you can see them getting slender, you can see them getting faster. It's really great. So don't forget to come out here if you want to. Just make sure you email me at hello@memoirsofAfatgirl.live, and I'll give you all the information of what it is to join this boot camp. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.
Fat out.